What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2010 Yamaha V-Star 950 Touring. 950 Touring, guys, this bike's in awesome shape. It does have some scuffs on the bags, super common. They are like a hard leather bag. Scuffs on the top, scuffs on the casing right here. It's pretty common. We got a scuff here on the rear fender. We do have some scuffing in there. It looks like it's coming out though. Scuff right there. Seat's got some white stuff on it. I don't necessarily know what that is. Scratches here, here, here. This is all very minor, guys, right there. Not a big deal to me. I mean, maybe you want a perfect bike from 2010, 9 years ago. Starts right there. But for someone who's buying this is probably their first or second bike. Scratches on the front fender. These are all super common things that are going to happen if you own it or if someone else owns it. So personally, it doesn't really bother me. Maybe you, like I said, maybe you want to spend premium money on your first or second bike for no reason, but that's just you, or I don't know. Scratch right there on the side of the bag. But here's what happens. In normal wear and tear, someone throws a leg over this bag a bajillion times a year, and that's what happens. Scuff, scuff. Scratch right there. You know, your keys are connected to your belt. Boom, you sling your leg over, key scratches it. It's just natural. You're not abusing the bike. The owner before didn't abuse it. It just happened. 16,395 miles on it. Runs great. Like I said, guys, 2010 Yamaha V-Star 950 Touring. This bike's super cool, guys. I love these bikes for beginner riders or for, you know, your second bike, you know, your big jump. It's a great bike. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. Thanks so much for watching.